Dear friends, the Irish province of the Institute of Christ the King Sovereign Priest presents Lenten Thoughts. Live not by bread alone, but by every word from daily Mass. Please consider helping us restore our church in Belfast, the Church of the Immaculate Heart of Mary. Go to this GoFundMe link and donate. Thank you for your generosity. Saturday of Passion Week. One man's meat, another's poison. We are in the final days before Christ's death, and the chief priests are so blinded by their hatred that they want to kill Lazarus, the witness of the great miracle. We see the acclamations of the people who went to meet Jesus with palm branches. While the Lord was teaching at the temple, pagans came to him. What a contrast! The Jews want to kill their Messiah, and the Gentiles are looking for him. The jealousy of the chief priests of the Jews was so intense that they sought to kill not only our beloved Lord, but also Lazarus, his friend, whom he had raised from the dead. It was because of the fame of this miracle that the people came to meet Jesus. As members of the true Church of Christ, we declare ourselves to be his friends. He has indeed chosen us to be so, just as he chose Lazarus. Since we profess to be so, we should not be surprised or discouraged if the world mistreats us because of this friendship. The enemy attacks only what is true. This should console us when persecuted. Furthermore, it should reassure us to know that the very things for which we are ridiculed are a source of attraction to the faith for many others. How can something as good as the resurrection of Lazarus bring out such hatred and a desire to kill among the Jews? And yet this very same miracle led others to come to Jesus and proclaim, "Hosanna! Blessed is he who comes in the name of the Lord, the King of Israel." Imagine our dear Lord descending Mount Olivet, greeted by throngs of people. They pluck palm branches and wave them triumphantly as he approaches, while some spread their garments on the ground for the ass he rides to tread upon. Hear their joyful cries, "Hosanna to the Son of David! Blessed is he who comes in the name of the Lord." Join in this celebration with all your heart. Align yourself with the crowd and proclaim the glory of the Son of David, the King of your heart. Yet how does Jesus respond to this triumphant scene? Is he filled with elation and satisfaction? No. He weeps, not for himself, but for the impending destruction of Jerusalem, his beloved city, and for the sins of the people that will bring about this destruction. Truly, this is a poignant moment, the people reveling in joy while Jesus, the object of their acclaim, sheds tears. Treasure those sacred tears and recognize the profound love in that dear heart which experienced such profound sorrow even amidst the height of human exaltation. Listen as the joyful echoes resound through the walls of Jerusalem, soon to be replaced by the haunting cry of "Crucify him" from those very streets. How fleeting is popularity! Today's idol of the masses becomes tomorrow's target of scorn and hatred. The entire city bows before Jesus on Mount Olivet, yet in a matter of moments he will find himself utterly alone. Those who chase after public approval will soon realize its transient and fickle nature. It can never bestow genuine and enduring happiness, for it is subject to constant fluctuations. If public sentiments could change so drastically and swiftly for Jesus, we can be certain that even the slightest mishap could turn our favor into bitter enmity. Nothing purely worldly can provide lasting joy to a true follower of Christ. It is only in God and his kingdom that true happiness can be found. What have I sought for my happiness? Is it the praise of others? Such praise will dissipate like smoke, leaving me empty and forlorn. If my efforts have been driven solely and primarily by the desire to please others, my happiness cannot endure even in this life. And what of the next life? How will I view mere human applause when I face death? Dear Lord Jesus, grant me a genuine love for you, So that I may truly be your friend, let me partake in your sorrows, that I may become more like you. For your sake, I resolve to disregard the world's favor and seek only your approval. Jesus, aid me by thy grace.
Did you enjoy today's Lenten thought? Why not help us make this former Presbyterian church worthy of the Catholic liturgy, our beloved Church of the Immaculate Heart of Mary in Belfast? To donate, go to this link. May God bless you for your generosity. And may the Immaculate Heart of Mary triumph in Ireland.